everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm glad you can be here. So anyway, I have a diamond art painting unboxing. And as you can see, I have a pile of them here. These are smallish paintings. And I'm assuming if it's what I think it is, I'm assuming that they should all go together as a set when they're done. So I just cut the top of this one off. I'm going to haul it out here and show you how they come. So they come, these were ordered from a company called Newhomy, I believe. Newhomy, I think. I'll link where I got them down below. I'll put a link to one of the paintings and you'll be able to find the rest there as well. So that's what I'll do for you. So they come all rolled up like this. Now this is it's not as plasticky a feel. It's more of a canvas feel than some of my other paintings that I've gotten from, let me set these aside, that I've gotten from Amazon. And let me open this up. Oh, cute. Absolutely adorable. So, I'm absolutely in love with Gorgeous Girls. You know, the Gorgeous Girls stamps. I think they're adorable. And I don't have any, but a very nice crafting friend sent me a bunch of pre-stamped images, and when I saw these dollies, I thought these were really, really cute. And when I got these, they were buy 4 paintings and get 1 free. Now these are 30 by 40 inches, and so they're small enough to mount fairly easily. And yeah, I think they'll be cute. I hope they don't lose because they're so small. I mean, you can see they're not very big, but because they're so small, I am thinking that they might lose a little bit of their definition when they're done. This has got a lot of W's on here, guys. Like this is black, 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 all black. This was the free one that I ordered. So I'll open up the other ones, but hold on for a sec. I'll just pause you for a minute while I cut the ends of all the other packages so that you don't have to hear me fighting my way into them all. First I'll show you this. So if you're new to diamond painting, each time you order a painting, you're going to get every single thing that you need to complete your painting, of course. So you get the basic kit, which is a small square of wax. That's what I've been getting so far anyway. One of these little drill boats or drill trays, and a very generic plastic straw type pen with the drill point on the end of it, and all you have to do is push this down into the wax. It fills up the little hollow tube of the drill point, and it allows you to pick up your rhinestones or drills. These are called drills, and it allows you to place them onto here, and it works like a paint by numbers. So you have the number of your baggie. You have a little table. This is the drill table. So you have the number of the baggie. You have the symbol, I guess, because this is alphabets, but it's not always alphabets. So you have the symbol that's on the diamond painting itself so that you can find your placement. And you also have the DMC number. And this is the color of all the drills, this is number 315, so all 315s in all the packages will be the same color. So when you're done and you have leftover drills, you can group them all together if you want to do that. So this has 22 colors, so there's going to be more than 22 bags of drills here. I can almost guarantee it because of how much black is on here. So I think there's going to be a lot of drills. Let me open this. So I think there's going to be a lot of drill packets that have a little bit of drills, like this will be some of the pink in here. So they'll have a little bit of drills in them. And then there's going to be probably a few bags of the W, because that's the black, and there are So let's go through and make sure all the drills are here. I have, start at number 1. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Now already I can see that there's some different colored drills in this one right here, and there's some different colored drills in here. That shouldn't be too much of a problem, but the drills all look like they're the same size, which is good. I mean, if you've been following me for a while, you know that the very first diamond painting I did was square drills, and they were horrible. The drills were horrible. There's a purple one in with the gray ones. So there's a 7, there's an 8, there's a 9, there's a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then I don't think that these are black, guys. I don't know if you can see that on here, but there are 1, 2, 3 packs of 15, and they're packed as full as this baggie will let them pack in there. And they look like they're navy blue. They look like a really, really deep navy blue. Yeah, so number 15, 8 or 939 is the number, the DMC number of these. So if anybody knows what 939 is in the DMC colors, what it's called, comment down below and let me know, because that looks like a navy blue to me, but lighting could make it look like that. So then 16, 17, 18. Oh, I need the little ones. 19, 20, 21, and 22. So all my packets are here. And yeah, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to count all the other drills and things that are in the packages to make sure that all the parts are here. And I will be right back and I will show you what the other 4 paintings look like. Okay, so I have counted all my drills. I opened all my packages, counted all my drills, and flattened out all my paintings. And because this one isn't flattened out yet, I'm going to show you how I do that. I mean, this is how I'm doing it for these small paintings. I have just an ordinary plastic, an old plastic ruler here. And I am going to pull the plastic cover on the top of this painting back against that ruler. Now the static on this is just letting it lay right flat on the other side, but I am going to just let this relax. And then I'm going to check it. There's a little bit of kind of running right here in the glue, but it's still sticky. So there's glue on there. And there's a few little bubbly spots right here, but I didn't find any of this in any of the other paintings. Now this looks a little sketchy, but I'm thinking it's just because of the way the painting was rolled up. So I'm going to let this lay down and relax and be flat. The canvas will relax pretty easily on its own, I found. I'm going to reach under this plastic and grab this. Then I'm going to hold this plastic up and I'm going to slide my ruler up the painting, just applying a little wee bit of pressure against the plastic as I go, so that and see how nice and flat that lays right now. There's no bubbles in there. There's no air pockets at all where the glue can dry out while I have this laying flat on my shelf and I'm storing it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to pull this back. Now, whatever you do, don't let the other side of your paper roll back and lay down into your glue, because the back side of this the wrong side of this will stick. I learned that the hard way on my very first painting. So I'm just kind of going in the background here and trying to push that little crease out a little wee bit. So there. And it's the same here, where each one of the folds are. I can see little, almost like little imprints, little divots in the glue, but when I touch it with my fingernail, it's sticky everywhere. So it's good, I think. So I'm going to hold this up, and I'm going to push this down all the way to the edge, and now that's nice and flat and has no bubbles. So that's what I'm doing for all my paintings. So this is the first one that I showed you, and all my drills are here as far as I know. Like all the baggy numbers are here, and the ones like these cheaper paintings don't come with an inventory sheet. The ones that are just rolled like that, the ones in the bigger boxes, I think I haven't got any from like Diamond Arts CA or Diamond Art Club yet, so they don't they come with an inventory sheet, I think, from what I've seen other people haul, but these cheap little ones don't. These little paintings were, I think when I got these, they were like $8.50 a piece. And yeah, so these are the other 4 that I ordered. So this really adorable, cute, it's wanting to roll up a little bit still, but that'll come out with time. In the meantime, this is nice and flat and stuck down really well. So this really cute little, they look like sisters, don't they? Or best friends. Isn't that cute? Absolutely adorable. So this one, and this one, I'm telling you, this one has a lot of color blocking on it. So there's a lot of color blocking, like a lot of C's here, a lot of confetti here, but it looks like it's almost all the same, like just a different shade of the same color. Some more color blocking here, down at the bottom, in her dress, Their hair has a little confetti in it, but yeah, but it looks pretty good. All of the symbols on these, like as you can see, all the symbols look pretty clear. For some of these ones in the dark colors, I still have to have my light underneath them. But yeah, looking pretty good. So this one, I'm just gonna bring them up like this. And this little ballerina, my granddaughter, who's almost finished university, my goodness, my granddaughter danced when she was young, all through public school and through high school. She danced. And when I saw this was the first one of these little girls that I saw, these dolls, and I had to have her. So, and she kind of led me down this rabbit hole for all these little dollies. But these are gonna look really cute. I'm gonna just do these, and if I don't give them away, I'm gonna put them up on my guest bed, in my guest bedroom, or someplace. I might even put them up here in my craft room somewhere. They are gorgeous. They're just beautiful. I think that's why they call them gorgeous girls. Now, just a little, here's a little something for you. They called these, when I was looking online for them, for these diamond paintings, they called these coon girls. C-O-O-N girls. I have no idea why, or you know what's up with that, but I'd never heard them called that before. But I got that one, and then this little one with the pretty little frilly blue dress and the bunny. She's adorable. But again, there's a lot of color blocking in these, so these shouldn't be overly hard to do. For me, even, it's just, you know, 2-3 days, and I don't work on them for long hours at a time. So nice little projects for me to do. And this one, this little winter one, look at the little penguin. Can you guys see that penguin? Look at how stinking cute that penguin is. And the little girl with her little fur-topped boots and her little pom-poms on her coat. She's got her mittens that match her stockings and her hat. She's beautiful, guys. I just love these little dolls. And then back to that one. And of course, this one that goes the other way. So I wasn't even thinking that when I picked out the 5th one. I didn't even realize that I picked one that went an opposite direction. But that's okay. I don't mind. I'm really happy for how cheap these were. I'm really happy with them. Yeah, like I said, I just hope they don't lose too much of their clarity when I get them done, because they're so small. So I'm going to end this video here, I think. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, do that now before you forget, so that you can come back and follow my diamond painting journey. And as well, on this channel, I do paper crafting planner videos. I do a little bit of art journaling, some DIYs, and lots of hauls. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you're interested in any of that stuff. It's fairly eclectic around here. Until I'm back with the next video, everybody stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Bye bye. Love you guys.